name's Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark. Thank you for stopping by my channel. If you're a visitor, I do a lot of videos about reselling, what sold videos, thrift haul videos, that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in learning about reselling, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I know that you're interested in this kind of content. So today I thought I would do something a little bit different. I thought I would show you some items that I've recently thrifted and also show you some items that recently sold. So it's going to be kind of like a thrift haul slash what sold video for you guys. If you do like this kind of video, please comment and let me know. I know that thrifting videos and what sold videos are something that a lot of people like to see in the reseller community. They want to know what they should be thrifting and then what things are selling for. So I thought today I would show you what's been selling for me and then also show you part of my thrift haul. Recently I purchased a bunch of items, like 53 items from Style Encore, which is similar to Plato's Closet. They had a 90% off clearance sale, so everything was around $2. When I ended up purchasing everything, it was like $117 for everything. So I got a really great deal on everything, and I have quite a few pieces, so I need to show you guys them. And basically the first part of the haul, I'll link it somewhere up here for you guys so that you can watch that as well if you want to, and that had several items. And then this one I'm going to have a few items from it, and then I'll probably have at least one, maybe two more videos of what I've been picking up, what I got there for you guys. So please stay tuned to my channel if you want to see those videos as well. So I'm going to show you guys what's selling for me first, and then some items that I thrifted. I think that as a reseller, obviously you want to know what things are selling for, but you also want to know what you should be picking up. And so I'll talk to you a little bit about why I picked up the pieces I did, and then I'll show you what sold first. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so I do sell on eBay and Poshmark, and most of my sales for the last couple days have been on eBay. Honestly, today I made one very small sale on Poshmark. Haven't made any sales on eBay yet today. It's really strange because I'll get like a couple days where I'll do really well on eBay, and then I barely get anything. So I do have about 760 listings right now on eBay, and it's taken me a long time to get there. I would say I've probably been reselling 5.5, 6 years, but I don't really look at my eBay store like I want to have this many listings. Usually I look at it like I want to list 5 to 10 items a day, and right now my sell-through rate is not very good. I'm not selling 1% of my items, which they do say you usually sell 1 to 2% of the items that you have listed. Right now I'm not doing that. I'm not making 7 sales a day, so I did start doing more promoted listings, which I have done in the past, but once the campaign ends I usually try to start a new one or do the markdown manager. I do that sometimes to kind of produce more traffic in my store. But I thought I would show you guys what has been selling for me. So first I'll show you what's on eBay, and I'll show you what's on Poshmark, and I will tell you what everything costs. I have been making quite a few international sales recently, which is interesting. But yeah, I'm very happy with that. So this is actually a joie piece. This particular item did not have the tag attached any longer, but I did look up the RN, and it does say it's from Joie. So I just looked down here, and I looked at the RN number, which is found on here. Usually says RN, and then it's, you know, like 8 numbers. But I also know it's from Joie because it does say joie.com. You can't really see it, but it says joie.com. So this sold for $30 on eBay, which was awesome. I got that, I think, for $3. Okay, let's see where I'm gonna put all this stuff. Okay, the next item is a St. John piece, and this is St. John. This is definitely what you would consider kind of like a bolo brand. I actually have a pair of pants that matches this, but I sold them separate because they were different sizes. This is just a nice, I think it's probably viscose. Sometimes St. John has what the material is and sometimes it doesn't. It's rayon and spandex. It's very soft. So this sold for $30 on eBay as well. And then the last item was something that I picked up purely on style. I don't pick all Ralph Lauren up. just because it doesn't always sell great for me. But this was a vintage item, new with tags. I would say it's vintage. I don't remember. I don't think I put that in the listing, but it is 100% silk, and it's Ralph Lauren, and it is a long, beautiful maxi dress. This is definitely something that's kind of like in style right now. The color I didn't care for, but this actually went to someone in another country. Looking at it, I think there might be a stain on this. No, it's just the under. It's got like this underneath, and you can kind of see it when you look to the front. You can see it. And I feel bad it's stained, but it's like that on both sides. This went to, I think, Australia, I think it's going, and they offered me $35, or I sent an offer, I think, $35 for this. So that sold for $35, and then the St. John did, and so did the Joie. So they each sold for $35. Okay, so the last two items I'm going to show you are from Poshmark. This is a bag I paid $1 or $2 for. It is definitely vintage, probably 90s. It really isn't really a great quality bag, but the style's fun. And I had it listed for $20. Someone sent me a $10 offer, and I accepted. I'm taking home $5, and honestly, this bag, I probably wouldn't get a lot more action on it. I picked it up solely on style. It really, in my opinion, is not a real, it might be leather. This part might be leather, but this part definitely is like vinyl or whatever you would call it, faux leather, I don't know. But it's a fun bag. Definitely something really reminded me of the bag that Pretty Woman used on Pretty Woman, mostly because I think it had like this patchwork type stuff on it. But anyway, that sold for $10. Not a lot. That's the only sale I've had today, which is sad, but true. This particular item has come back to me already once. I sold it originally on eBay first time, and then I sold it again now on Poshmark. And I really was particular with this listing because someone opened up a claim saying that it was worn and discolored, and I actually looked up the original online, and it seemed that this was also discolored, had the same discoloring on that one. So I just stated in the listing that it's made this way, because I saw it also when I looked up really close online. I also saw the stock photo had this as well. But this is like a zipper clutch by Rebecca Minkoff, and you can see it has like a yellowish color there, and then also here and here. So the first time I took good pictures of it, but I didn't think that it was, I thought it was from it being made that way, because when I looked up stock photos, you could see that the coloring was different on the trim area there, on the stock photos. But the person obviously didn't look real close at the pictures, because you could see in the pictures as well. And so they returned it, and it sold on Poshmark now, and I stated everything about the coloring and all that stuff, so that I don't get any more returns. So that particular bag went for $65 on Poshmark. I paid $12 for it from liquidation.com when I got a huge purse haul from them. So I made some really good profit on that particular item. I do still have quite a few pieces, so I don't know if I ever really am going to make money on that lot. I paid a lot for it, and I'm happy though to sell and to get at least my money back, which I think I probably will, but I don't know how much I'm actually going to make. Probably not the best buy for me, but you know, everything looks different in hindsight. So that bag went for a really great price. That was the original price I had it listed for, so I'm really happy that it sold, and my take home will be like $52. So okay, so now that I've showed you what's been selling for me, I want to show you some things that I recently picked up, and then I'll tell you why. So first of all, St. John. I like picking up St. John. I have quite a few pieces in my closet because I did buy a huge lot of, well, a large lot, probably like 20 items of St. John quite a while back, so I'm still working through selling those pieces. But this is St. John, and this is called St. John Caviar. I've actually never seen this tag before, so I have to look these up. But these are a pair of black dress pants with this really, this really cute slit in the front. So I have to look these up. I don't know what they're worth or anything like that. Okay. These are a pair of older Athleta leggings. They're size small, tall, but they're really, really small and they're long. I picked these up. They were $2, so I picked them up. I'm going to list them as a smaller size, though. I'm going to say that they fit more like an extra small or an XX small, but to look at measurements because they're pretty small waist-wise. This is Derek Lam and Athleta, so this was a collaboration they did. This was probably something that was maybe sold at like a TJ Maxx or something where they mark out the lettering. I don't know why they only marked Athleta out, but these are polyester, but they're kind of like a linen material. And so I put a nice pair of white shorts. For $2, I couldn't pass those up. This is a pair of J. Jill leggings, and they're the capri legging. And I honestly got these because I figure if they don't sell, I'll keep them. But I pick up some J. Jill, not all, but I do pick up some J. Jill, depending on the price, you know. And for $2, I was happy to pick that up. Most of these are bottoms because I kind of put all the bottoms together and all the tops together, so I showed you guys a lot of the tops already. Okay, so these are a pair of Chico's Travelers. If you've ever heard of Chico's, they have a line called Travelers, which is supposed to be like usually a lot of the stuff is slinky. It's supposed to not really, what do you call it? I hate it when they do that at stores. They put the hanger and it like messes that up. But these are a nice pair of like jade green, I would say. They're size 2, which I believe is a medium. Have to look that up for sure though. They're not supposed to like wrinkle and stuff. Sometimes they do still wrinkle, but they're not like supposed to. This is a pair of Hugo Boss. I gotta take that out, but Hugo Boss. These are a pair of navy cropped pants. Hugo Boss is really expensive in the store, so I did pick these up for $2 and see if they sell. I've never sold Hugo Boss, so I picked this up purely for style because I thought it was just such a cute style. It is loft, and I don't pick up much loft because it doesn't seem to sell very well for me. This is a size 8, but it's just really interesting, almost like it's a very pink, like pretty pink zipper, like probably a midi skirt, kind of midi almost over past the knee. I picked that up just because I like the style. It's kind of wild, but I have no idea if these will sell. These are a pair of older tag Trina Turk. They are a wool pant with this cute trim at the bottom, like a magenta trim. I just thought these were cute, so I got them. They're like a wide leg pant. And then I thought I would show you these. These are also St. John. Okay, these are a size 16, which is a fantastic size. I'm so glad I found these. They're navy blue, and they're the Santana knit material. They have pockets. The Santana knit material is the sought after material, in particular to St. John. It is just a really nice, comfortable material. It is like a knit, kind of see, and it is sought after. So whenever I find St. John, especially for $2, I'll pick it up, but especially if it's Santana knit. One time I purchased a dress from Style Encore. This was before, I think they didn't know it was St. John, or they didn't know what St. John was. It was a long Santana knit black, plain black dress. It was sleeveless. It was like a tank dress, and I think I paid $12 for it because I happen to know what St. John was. I guess maybe they didn't know at the time, or whoever tagged it didn't know, and I think I sold it for like $150. So it's definitely a great brand. I don't pay up a lot for certain pieces, but Santana knit pieces, then I'll pay a little bit more. You know, I would probably pay like $10 for a top, depending on what it is, because I do want to make 20 to 30% profit. If I pay $10, I want to make at least $20 on it. So like that's what I want to take home. So anyway guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from my channel. I post new content on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. At least I try to. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye!